that never seems to slow down. Stress, anxiety, and chronic conditions have become part of daily life. For many, true relaxation feels out of reach. What if relaxation could go deeper? Not just surface-level calm, but a profound restorative experience for both mind and body. Introducing a new paradigm in relaxation, a different approach designed to support individuals living with chronic illness, PTSD, and anxiety. This isn't just another device. It's a deeper way to unwind, a way to reconnect, a way to gently guide your body into a state of true rest, where tension softens, where the mind quiets, and where healing can begin. Because relaxation shouldn't just be temporary, it should transform the way you feel from within. Discover a deeper way to relax. Visit www.entel.com.au to learn more and begin your journey to true relaxation.